Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your phone, surrounded by noise, mentally juggling 10 different thoughts, and realized you haven't truly breathed all day? Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to just pause? To feel your shoulders drop, to hear nothing but the soft rhythm of your own breath, to be present, to not chasing, not reacting, and not overstimulated, but simply here. Welcome back. In this world of constant digital buzz, relentless schedules, and unending pressure to perform, finding inner stillness might feel impossible, but it's not just possibly as essential. Today, we are diving deep into the silent revolution of stillness, not as a luxury for monks and retreat goers, but as a daily necessity for you, right here, right now. Let's begin by painting a picture of what most of us experience every day. You wake up to the alarm on your phone and immediately check your notifications. Texts, emails, news alerts, social media updates, a to-do list already running in your head before your feet touch the floor. Then comes the commute to sirens, honking, crowds, or maybe just a relentless stream of background noise from your podcast queue. You reach your destination, but the noise continues. Slack messages, inbox pings, people talking over each other in meetings or open plan offices. You eat lunch distracted. You answer texts while half listening to someone speak. Or brain, browser with 57 open tabs. And then you go home. But even your home isn't quiet, not if the TV is always on, or the dishes are piling up, or your phone keeps buzzing with more things demanding your attention. At the real kick are your own thoughts. The inner voice that critiques, replays, overanalyzes, plans, worries, doubts, compares. It's the soundtrack you can't pause, and it might be the loudest thing of all. This is the modern cacophony, the invisible noise that follows us everywhere. You're not just overwhelmed, we are overstimulated mentally, emotionally, digitally, socially. And it's no wonder we feel disconnected, anxious, irritable, or just plain tired. But here's the truth no one tells you: the noise won't stop on its own. You have to create the quiet. Stillness isn't a place you go, it's a muscle you build. And it starts with one question: what is making your life so loud? Let's deconstruct the disturbance. You may not be able to escape all of it, but you can identify it. There are 3 types of noise we are constantly managing: auditory, visual, and mental. Auditory noise is easy to notice: sirens, construction, background music, loud neighbors, the constant dings and buzzes of your devices. You don't even realize how tense your body becomes until you step into silence and feel it unclench. Then there's visual noise: cluttered countertops, crowded desks, dozens of tabs open, bright screens late into the night. Even the colors and layout of your environment can create internal static. You may not see it as stress, but your nervous system feels it. And finally, mental noise are the hardest to escape. This is the relentless inner chatter that fills the silence with worry, memory loops, self-judgment, and planning. These are your triggers, and awareness is your first weapon. So how do you reclaim peace, even in the midst of chaos? Let's talk about instant calm techniques and the practical tools that bring you back to yourself when everything around you feels overwhelming. The 3 breath reset. Stop, breathe in slowly, hold, exhale slowly. Do this 3 times. That's it. It takes under 30 seconds, but it shifts your physi, it slows your heart rate, calms your mind, brings you home to your body. Sensory anchors. When you feel overwhelmed, choose one sense to focus on. Sight, focus on one object, trace its shape, observe its color. Sound, close your eyes. Listen, can you hear distant sounds, your own breath? Touch, rub your fingers together, Feel the texture of your clothes. Ground yourself in your skin. This gives your mind a rest from multitasking and offers your nervous system a moment of peace. Mindful movement. Sometimes, stillness comes through movement. Stand up, stretch your arms slowly, roll your shoulders, take a slow walk. With each step, bring your awareness to the sensation of your feet meeting the ground. Stillness isn't always sitting. Sometimes it's moving with presence. But for long-term change, we have to do more than react. We have to build a stillness practice into our lives. Let's talk about how to create your own sanctuary of quiet. Digital detox boundaries. Design it certain hours each day as screen-free. Mornings and evenings are ideal. Turn off non-essential notifications. Your phone should serve you, not hijack you. Keep devices out of the bedroom. Let your nervous system truly rest. Create quiet spaces. Declutter your physical environment. A clean desk or a made bed can offer surprising peace. Design a calm zone in your home, a corner with a candle, a cushion, a plant, or whatever brings you ease. Use noise-cancelling headphones or nature sounds to reduce auditory chaos. Cultivate a personal practice. Find one thing you can do daily to reconnect with yourself. Meditation doesn't have to be a noun. Start with 2 minutes of focused breath. Journaling helps you offload mental noise onto paper. Nature emergent, even a 5-minute walk among trees can reset your entire system. Stillness becomes sustainable when you stop waiting for perfect silence and start creating micro moments of peace. Let's talk about how to bring calm into your daily life. Waiting in line, breathe deeply, feel your feet. Wing dishes, ikita meditation. Notice the warmth of the water, the texture of the plate. Stuck in traffic, and down the volume. Notice the movement of your breath. Soften your grip on the wheel. These are your micro moments, and over time, they ripple. Your nervous system recalibrates, your patience increases, you respond instead of react, your relationships soften, your work becomes clearer, you feel less pulled and more rooted. And most importantly, you realize that stillness isn't a destination, it's a practice. Some days you'll feel calm, others you won't. But each time you choose presence, you plant a seed. You become the calm in the chaos. You become the pause in the noise. You become the still point in a spinning world. So here's your invitation. Qigong practice. Start small. Repeat it tomorrow. Don't wait for life to quiet down. Create the quiet you crave. Your stillness is your power. Your awareness is your anchor. And your peace begins now. Thank you for joining me in this journey into stillness. If this resonated with you, drop a comment to what noise are you ready to release. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a deep breath in their day. Until next time, stay grounded, stay present, and remember, in a world that's always shouting, your silence is a revolution.